In front of me is nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Notifications over here. Then select App Notifications. Tap on Most Recent and click on one of those options to sort your apps by, for example, Most Frequent Notifications. When you finished, use black switches next to your apps to block all notifications from them, or grey ones to turn them back on. You can also just tap on any app available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!